RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, who is supposed to be serving a jail term right now. But the visuals that we have access for you are suggesting that how he is living in a lap of luxury, and these visuals have now started a big controversy. Take a look at these visuals, and I also want to go across to my colleague Mohit Sharma joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, explain to us these visuals and what is the reason really that now he is clearly living in a lap of luxury when ideally he should be serving a jail term like any other person.
Well, Hina, while Lalu Prasad Yadav was convicted, there was a sentence that he is, currently undergoing. What's of importance here is that almost 2 years ago, he had complained of certain health issues due to which he was shifted to RIMS. That happens to be the Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences. Now, more importantly, in August this year, due to the corona scare, he was shifted to the Dak Bungalow, which happens to be the director's official residence of RIMS. Now, despite him being in a hospital, we've seen, and we ourselves even brought to our viewers how Lalu Prasad Yadav was in fact not just meeting people, but at the same time he was at he was the epicenter during the entire RJD's campaign and elections in Bihar. We had seen how he was the one who was in fact distributing the tickets as well. The potential candidates were the ones he was seeing. They were first coming out there for the lack of any other word, for a proper interview, so that ticket distribution can actually happen. So he was officially running up a political party's office from that Dak Bungalow. Now, more importantly, again this Sunday there was a shift in the power at RIMS. The new director was appointed.
Right.
Happens to be Padam
Mohit, I'm just interrupting you there. Please stay on with us. We are also getting a reaction from the BJP on this. Let's listen in.
में रह रहे हैं जो केली बंगला के नाम से जाना जाता है, क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, राज्य के लिए दुर्भाग्य का विषय है कि राज्य के सर्वश्रेष्ठ चिकित्सा संस्थान का निदेशक अगर योगदान देने के बाद गेस्ट हाउस में रहने के लिए विवश हो, और उनका जो आधिकारिक आवास है वहाँ एक सजायाफ्ता कैदी को लंबे समय से कोरोना बीमारी के नाम पर रखा गया है। अब राज्य सरकार ये को दावा करती है कि राज्य में रिकवरी रेट 96% से ऊपर है, 9% से ऊपर है, और पॉजिटिव केसेस कम हो गए। तब उनको वहीं वापस भेज देना चाहिए जहां से वापस आए थे वो, यहाँ उनको वापस होटवार जेल भेजा जाए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये मानती है, क्योंकि जेल मैनुअल का जिस तरह से उन्होंने समय समय पर उल्लंघन किया है, गंभीर चिंता का विषय है। लेकिन राज्य सरकार कहीं ना कहीं घुटना टेक मुद्रा में उनके सामने जिस तरह से नतमस्तक है, मैं समझता हूँ कि सरकार के कार्यक्षमता और सरकार के रसूख पर प्रश्न खड़ा होता है।
भैया, जिस प्रकार मजबूर हैं और एक सजायाफ्ता कैदी उनके आवास में रह रहे हैं जो
and RIMS has got a new director, but he cannot shift to this bungalow because there is a Lalu Raj that is currently going on. Let's hear this audio clip that we've got for you, the entire video. Let's listen in.
अच्छा, हाँ ठीक है सर, छोड़ दे हेमंत।
So those are the exclusive visuals that we have for you now, which have clearly gone viral, and BJP is now demanding answers from the Mahagathbandhan